West Indies head coach Phil Simmons says there is no need for him to take a break from coaching or refresh the backroom staff that has lost five of the last six series. The Windies are preparing for the start of their three-match series against India on Friday at the Queen's Park Oval. Here's Jerome Foster.
Most recently, England and India have employed separate coaches for their international teams. And following their 3-0 trouncing at the hands of Bangladesh, questions have been raised about coaching fatigue for the West Indies. The regional team has been involved in 31 matches this year across 3 formats. ODI and T20 cricket taking up 84% of these matches, but head coach Phil Simmons says he's fully energized to get his methods across.
The ideas are being put across. It's not every day that I put it across. We have different coaches and people put across things on different days in different ways. I don't think that there's a problem in getting the message across. I think we need to continually be giving that support to the players to make sure that they're doing the things that we want them to do, and we've been doing that very well.
But the insipid batting performances are not making matters easier for the 56-year-old.
I feel pressure when I lose. I don't like losing, so I put enough pressure on myself when I lose, and therefore I put pressure on staff and on the players. That's the pressure I deal with. I hate losing, so there's enough pressure put on myself by me.
It was a bitter pill to swallow in losing to Bangladesh, but there's one marked difference for the upcoming series against the Indians.
We don't really want to make excuses, and in the last game we showed what we should have showed in the first 2 games on what were, and not hiding the fact they were bad cricket wickets on the whole, but you expect different. As I said just now, the wickets look good. Yes, it's a stronger bowling team, but we expect better batting performance from the squad.
The first match against India is set to bowl off at 8:30 a.m. on Friday at the Queen's Park Oval. The Indians have won 11 straight series against the Caribbean men. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.